Wonderful. Okay, we will begin in 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, qualification match number 37 has now begun. Both alliances have successfully placed a specimen on their high chamber and a sample in the high basket. Team 14279 FLRC circuit breakers are working on getting a second sample up in that high basket. Meanwhile, on the Red Alliance, Team 6547 Cobalt Colts have successfully placed a second sample in their high basket.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, the tele-up period has now begun. Drivers have picked up their controllers and are moving these robots around. Team 14279 FLRC circuit breakers for the Blue Alliance has put a second sample in that high basket, working on a third. Meanwhile, their alliance partners, Team 19417 Super Stellar, have now placed a second specimen on that high chamber. Both alliances have 2 specimens in the high chamber. The Blue Alliance now has 3 samples in that high basket, and the Red Alliance is working on their third as well, and they've succeeded. Both alliances now have 3 specimens on each high chamber, and the Blue Alliance is just leading the Red Alliance in that high basket at 4-3. Over on the Blue Alliance, Team 19417 is trying to match the Red Alliance and get a 4th specimen on the high chamber, which they succeeded. Meanwhile, for the Red Alliance, Team 6547, the Cobalt Colts, are working on getting more samples up in that high basket. Looks like they had a little fall, they're recovering from that. And meanwhile, the Team 14279 FLRC circuit breakers for the Blue Alliance are working on getting another sample into that high basket. It's filling up pretty fast. We have about 50 seconds left on the clock. Over on the Red Alliance, Team 6547, the Cobalt Colts, have successfully gotten another sample in that high basket. The Red Alliance has 6 specimens on the high chamber, now 7, and the Blue Alliance has 5 specimens on the high chamber. Looks like Team 19417 Super Stellar is to try and get a 6th specimen on the high chamber. 25 seconds left on the clock. This is a really close match. Both alliances now have either 6 or 7 specimens on that high chamber, and about a half full basket up on top. Match ends in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very close match. Excited to see how this one shakes out.
Other field. The reason for that is we are going to take a break. So now is a good time to get up and stretch a little bit. And as soon as we get ready over on the Man of War field and they are finished with their matches up to this point, we are going to direct our attention to the center of the field where we're going to introduce you to some very important people and have 2, possibly 3 very important matches.